Hi everyone. Previous lesson we saw how we can move the pawn, but today we are going to learn about some other pieces. Before we learn pieces movements, I am happy to tell you there are 5 basic rules in chess. We have to follow the rules. In chess, last time lesson we learned queen on same color. When we set up the chessboard, white queen must on white square and black queen must on black square. Now you can see only white pieces on this board. The another rule is always you need to see light square in your right hand corner. We call this as a light on right or white on right. Your right hand corner will be white square, queen on same color. Third rule is always white starts first and then only black will reply. Fourth basic rule is touch move and touch take. If you touch any piece, you need to move it. If you touch opposite piece, you need to capture it when you can do so. As example, I am going to show you a full board, and then after I am showing you a little example. Sometimes players mistakenly touch opposite pieces and then you have to capture it. So now we learn 3 chess rules. Your right hand corner will be white square, light on right, then queen on the same color, then white starts the game. I am going to show you the fourth rule now. It's a touch move and touch take. We'll see if our opponents start with this kind of moves. But at the moment I am telling you those the black move, we are not giving much priority for the moves. We are giving priority to ideas. The important ideas we need to understand first before we going to learn proper chess. We'll see, we learn pawn capture sideways. And then we'll think the knight. Go with L shape using 3 squares, any side, and then knight will go out. We'll imagine knight came here. And then chess is giving us very good lesson. It means before we get any decision, we need to think. We need to think before our decisions. After we take the action, we can't take it back. Like that. So touch move and touch take is fourth rule of chess. We'll see if you touch your queen in this situation, then you can move it here, 1 square. Or if you want, you can go to 2 squares. Okay, so we can go back. If you touch queen, you can go to 2 squares. And we'll see if you want to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can go like that. But remember, you can't go and stay here because now we learn black moving, black move the knight with L shape. The knight will come and capture the queen. Then you will lose the queen. So, in this situation, if you touch the queen, but you can't go and keep it here. But imagine this moment. You are so rushed and you touch the pawn, the black pawn. Now your move with white, you touch the black pawn. Then only way you can capture this pawn with your queen. You must take it because you touch the pawn. Then you have to take it. Even your opponent will take the queen with the bishop. The bishop go diagonally, or with the queen. Queen can go any side, any amount of squares. So what we learn from here, we are learning 5 basic rules. We can go back and we go and learn about the rules from this lesson. The right hand corner will be white square, queen on same color, white queen on white, black queen on dark, and white starts the game. And then we learn very special rule. It's a touch move and touch take. So if you touch your piece, you have to move it anywhere. But if you touch opposite piece, if you can, you must capture it. In this position we learn the white touch the pawn. It means queen takes the pawn. You have to do it even though you will lose the queen. Okay, it's a very, very important rule, giving a good lesson to our life. Before we get the decisions, we have to think about the result. That is the one of the lesson we are taking from this lesson. And the last one is, after we start the game, we have to continue the game until result. There are 3 results coming from the game. Sometimes we are winning the game, sometimes we are losing the game, sometimes game will end as a draw. Draw means half a point for both players. Later on we can talk how we can get a half a point, how will be the positions and all. So thanks for today. We can talk next step with another lesson. Thank you.